I'm Steve. Hope you're doing just amazing today. I mean, was there a better band in the 70s than Heart? That song right there, Crazy on You, is amazing. I'm going to show you the easy strumming versions of that one, plus Magic Man, plus their biggest hit ever, Barracuda. I'm just going to tell you all the songs right now. I've got the easy versions, plus I'm going to show you the extra notes that make it sound amazing, and you're going to be rocking it in no time. Okay, let's go right to Crazy on You in A minor. It's got that iconic Spanish flamenco style strumming, a little bit Western. Practice that for a second. Right when you get it down, go to an F major to G, and a lot of times I'm not even hitting the high part of a G major. A minor, and you can, strum it downstrokes if you want to make it a little bit simpler, like this. Quick G, A minor, G, F, into A minor, and now you're ready for the verse. It goes like this. C, D minor, E7, that's where the D string is open, A minor, C, D minor, E7, and you go like that. Very cool. So A minor, and then lay this finger, if you can, all the way across the 7th fret of the pretty much every string except that low E. So you hit the low E open and go like that. Try not to hit the high note. Sounds pretty cool, a little bit like the record. That's just the easiest way I can find to play it. And then it goes. For the chorus. So let's do that. D minor to E minor to C to F, D minor, E 7th, and now go crazy. Now we're back where we started. G, A minor, G, F, again, I'm gonna come back to those notes in a second. And then at a minute, it goes like this. F sharp minor, D, C sharp minor, D, C sharp minor, D, what you go, C sharp minor, down to B minor, to A, and E, you've all been waiting for. Very cool. So not as hard as it looks. Open A string. That's the 2nd of the D. Open D, and then walk it down from 3rd of the A string, 2nd, open, and then hit the 1st fret of the low E string, like you're in an F major right there, and then to the 3rd fret of that low E, and do it again. This time, you hit the 3rd fret of the low E string, and then you go right back up to the 2nd of the D, open, walk it down again. That was the walk down from the 3rd, 2nd, open of the A string, and then low E string on the 1st fret, and back into the G right there. You put it all together fast, sort of medium speed. On the G right there, and then into the A minor. All right, put that in slow-mo, pause, rewind, and rock it. Okay, for the next one, I'm not gonna lie, the chords aren't so bad, but the rhythm is a bit complicated, but that's what makes it fun, right? It's Magic Man in G major. See right there, I went from regular chords into power chords. However you want to do it, the 2 chords are G, a lot of palm mutes, a lot of stops and pops like that, down to an F, back up to G. So G, F, the reason why I played it like this is because when you use your pinky, when you go down to the F, you can do this. Very cool. So you got your pinky on the 3rd fret of the high E string, and then 1st fret of the B, open G string, and then the rest of an F major, 3rd of the A, 3rd of the D, 3rd of the A string, and then I put my thumb on that low E string right there. So for an F major, and when you pick it upward, you know, sort of strum it upwards from the bridge area, it sounds really cool. Yeah, like that. So back up to G. Very cool. Now the next part is this pre-chorus where it goes B flat, F, F, G, G, B flat, F, G, G. We go back down to F major, try to understand, up to G major, B flat, C, he's a magic man, G. And the reason why I played a C like that instead of a regular C is I was already in B flat, it was just easier, Magic Man, G. Then you go back into another verse, G, you know, same stuff we did. Yeah, G. One more time with the pre-chorus. B flat, F, F, G, G, B flat, F, F, G, G, back down to F, up to G major. And then there's 2 chords in the middle of the song that go like this. That hard. You take the B flat shape, but you bring it up here. 6th fret of the A string, and then 8th of the D, G, and B strings, and then you go to an E minor right there. So it goes. Try to understand. Back into F, G, and then B flat, C. He's a magic man. We're back where we started from. Got all these, you know, rock and guitar solos, and their voices go, you know, all those high notes by Ann and Nancy. They're amazing. And then at the end, it goes, try to understand, try to understand, try to understand. At the very end of the song, it goes back to B flat. He's a magic man. F, B flat, F, B flat, G right there, and that's how it ends. And if you want to do those notes, it's actually not that hard either. You go something like that. May not be exactly like the record, but you go very cool. You can also do some pull-offs. It's the 3rd fret of the D to the 1st fret, open. Then you go to the 3rd fret of the A, do the same thing. 3rd, 1st, open, and then 3rd of the G, 3rd of the low E string, down to that 1st fret, and you end it right there, into G. And last up, after that marathon of Magic Man that we just did, this one's a little bit easier. It's Barracuda in E major. If you got a Stratocaster, you know, anything with a whammy bar, shake it around, but it sounds great on acoustic too. So it's E major, but you're only hitting the low notes, and again, you're getting that Spanish sort of flamenco style rhythm. Very cool. Then you go into a G major like that, but in between was just that note right there on the 2nd fret of the low E string, G. And right when you hit the G, come up to the 12th fret, and lay your finger down, hit some harmonics, and then go to the 5th fret, like that too. And then, you know, pull from anywhere like that, and get back down there. And now, I've done the math on this thing. I've counted it all out. There's 10 counts until they go from the E major to a C major, and back down to E major is 9 counts. So check this out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, like that. But you know what? If you're at a beach or with your friends or at a club or whatever, I mean, who's gonna have a calculator out and do, you know, math while they're singing the song? They're not gonna care or really notice. So just, you know, the rest of the way through this lesson, I'm just gonna jam. We're gonna play it out. So E major, E to keep it easy, or you can do that little walk down. When you're on the C major, you go from the 3rd of the A string, 2nd open, 3rd of the low E string, and give it some pops on the E major. Very cool walk down. And I'm hitting every other string there. Hear that? Very cool. Then it goes into the chorus. It goes C major, E. You can do those walk downs. Gonna burn, burn. That's D major, burn, burn to the A, to the wick. Ooh, Barracuda. And back down to E, like that right there. So that's the heart of the song. And then in the bridge, it goes C, C major to A major. Now that's really cool. Not as hard as it looks either. So when you went from the C, D, 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 A major, E, you go. Same notes we did at the beginning, you know, E major to the 2nd fret of the low E to the 3rd, and then real quickly give it a pop on the A string open, or, you know, lay a finger down and hit the low parts of an A major like this. So right after that A, it's really fast. So right back into the C. This is the guitar solo. Down, 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 down. It starts rocking out, you know, kills it the whole way through. And I'll give you a little bonus thing. Check this out. Very cool, or like that. So this one's not that hard either. You go to the 14th fret. Is that the 14th? No, that's the 15th fret. 15th fret of the B string while hitting the open E. So go like that. And then go down 1 fret to the 14th of the B while hitting the open E string right there. And now go to the 15th of the high E and the 13th of the B, like that. And then the 12th of the high E and the B strings, or you can, you know, harmonics like that. So one more time. Powerful and awesome. I love that one. All right, these weren't the easiest lessons I've ever taught, but they're worth it. Practice them, try them, and let me know how you do in the comments. I'd love to see you around the channel. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.